The long-awaited NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series graphics cards are finally here. To fully unleash the beastly performance of these next-gen powerhouses, we beefed up our AORUS graphics cards to ensure the best-in-class performance in every way. Today, let's look at the AORUS GeForce RTX 4090 Master and see what exactly we bring to the table. The AORUS graphics cards are rocking the iconic WindForce cooling system on the RTX 40 series family. With the new fan blade design and the industry's pioneering alternate spinning technology, the WindForce brings maximum airflow with less turbulence and minimal noise for advanced cooling. Underneath the fans, we have the massive heatsink module with the angular fin design, creating more surface area and cooling capacity than ever. Digging deeper, we can see that the vapor chamber is in direct contact with the interior cores, covering both the GPU and the VRAMs. We have also thrown in the high thermal conductive pads to further enhance the heat transfer. At the back, we've supersized the screen cooling this time to allow more hot air to escape towards the exhaust fans for better cooling. For gaming enthusiasts who want to get the absolute best from the ultra-powerful RTX 40 series GPU while staying cool and quiet, WindForce is the way to go. The graphics card is also where gamers show off their personal style. The fan-favorite Rgb Lighting makes a strong comeback to light up your PC. Various lighting effects will definitely dazzle your builds. Also, there's the LCD edge view on the side. This means the AORUS graphics cards look great whether the card is mounted vertically or horizontally. The LCD edge view also offers various modes. You can customize the texts, images, or GIFs that you like. You can also monitor critical health status like temperatures, RPMs, etc. Since the RTX 40 series graphics cards are heavier and thicker than ever, several reinforcement features have been introduced to make the cards extra sturdy. The full metal backplate with the bent edges adds more rigidity to the card. In addition, the use of double ball bearings ensures the cooling fans can last twice as long as the other fan types, so peace of mind is guaranteed. The card also comes with an anti-sag bracket, which can support more than 5 kilograms of load, preventing the card from sagging while protecting the PCIe slot from damage. Every aspect of the AORUS RTX 40 series graphics card has been carefully designed so that you can enjoy the full gaming prowess of this monster performer. Master your game today with the AORUS RTX 40 series graphics cards.